Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI WiFi AX2 router, and I'll just go over a simple unboxing. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. You likely do have a tool tab right here. So this is going to be a Wi-Fi 6 router, so it's not 6E. And inside we get a relatively small and light little router. I set it to the side. Get some paperwork, warranty cards and whatever, and then the charger for it, so you can plug it in. A typical barrel plug right here, and a European plug, and the Ethernet cable. And that's everything that we get. Now, taking a look at the router itself, it does feel very light and plasticky, so it does feel very cheap, to be completely honest. The antennas though hold pretty well. They don't wobble or anything like that, so you don't need to worry about them falling once you set them up in whatever fancy way you want it. And at the back we do have you see the plug for the power, 3 different Ethernet jacks, and the reset button slash it's like a quick connect, I think it is, and the WPS. Possibly also if you want to change some settings, it might require you to press this button to do that. And by the looks of it, this is the only button around the entire router. So there we go. Very light, and also you can see relatively small. If I actually bring a normal phone into kind of view, so this is like a 5-inch phone. You can see that it is just a little bit bigger than a normal phone. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.